In this video, I'm going to show you how to use search templates, like we see here, and the column template, which is the information reported to you at the top of the file list here, so that when you perform a specific type of search, WorldDocs reports to you the information that's most useful to you. Now, to demonstrate what I mean, I'm going to click on my binoculars, and I'm going to choose this search template that says Full Profile Search Core Docs -emails. So I would perform a search where I'm looking for emails, and I would want email information reported to me, such as who the email was from and who the email was to. I'm going to start by choosing the client, World Software, and I'm going to change the doc type to email. I'm going to perform the search, and notice in the background the column header information is description, the application icon, doc ID, versions, and the modified date. When I run my search, my header template changes. I still have the application icon, description, doc ID, version, modify, but now I have who is the email to and who is the email from. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to create search templates and column header templates and link them together to produce this type of information. The first thing I want to do is create a search template so that when I make that choice, the header template providing the information I'm looking for will be available to me. So I go up to my binoculars, click, and I just choose as a starting point any template that I might have. And at this point I could either add or remove fields based on their importance. Now I've decided that I'd like to have all of my search fields to choose from, so I'm going to leave everything that's in this base template that I have. And now I'm going to save it. Click on the Options button, Save Template, and then give it a name. I'll call this Full Profile Search on Core Docs. Then I'm going to put a hyphen in and Relations, because the header template that I want to appear when I run this type of search is going to tell me whether there are any related documents. So now I save this. I'm going to save it as a new template. Click on OK. And at this point I'm going to run a search. At this point I want to add and remove the column information that I'd like to have available to me. So let's say I decide I don't want client description. I'm just dragging it off of the header. I don't care about the expiration or the action. Those are all retention fields. I'm going to move over the From field for emails, and I'm going to add the other email field to. So I left click in the header area, select email, select to. I'm going to resize that. I don't need it to be quite that large. And then finally I'm going to add relations so that I'm able to identify if there is a relation for a file within the list. Now what I want to do is right click in the open gray area of the header bar, and that may cause you or force you to go all the way over to the left hand portion of the header bar, just depending on your resolution on your screen. Right click, Save Column Template, and you want to make the choice at the top, Associate with this type of list, and then don't change anything. Click on OK, and you're set. Now to demonstrate this in action, I'm going to change to a different column header template. Right click, open my default, and now I'm going to go up and run a search. Start a new search. I'm going to use my relation search template, and I'm going to look for a specific client, and then click on search, and then bang, there you go. You see the from, the to, and the new relations column. So what I've demonstrated for you is a great way to access all of the power built into WorldDocs, tying together those search templates with your column display information.